No, he's
Whoa!
You idiot! You
I'm so sorry.
I can't move to that side. Move back. I'll move forward. Move back. Move back. I'm not jumping the curve, so move back. Move back the car. I'll move to this side. Can you move back the car?
Where are you gonna move?
I'm gonna move to this side.
Let's move in that parking lot.
Why would I move in that parking lot? I live over there.
Where do you have to go?
I have to go over there. Ask these construction workers.
Where are you going?
I'm going inside, sir. Do you see the
Inside
apartment?
where?
Over there. There's a whole townhouses over there.
Is there really?
Yeah, okay. You have this. You tell him to move. I've been asking them. Yeah, little shit. Yeah. What do you want to do?
Fat, ugly chink.
Fuck off.
Norristown, Pennsylvania, heading north on Fairfield Road at the intersection of Sandy Hill. There went the Chevy, there went the Nissan, and here comes United Towing Ford F-150 in the left turn only lane. As you can see, the lights turned red. There goes the Chevy. There goes the Nissan. Oh, they ran the lights. And here's the left turn lane with United Towing going right through, straight from the left turn lane.
A few moments later.
So I got the manager from United Towing on the phone. I'm talking to him now. I'm watching him drive.
Thank you, Sergeant. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi. You've got a driver driving a white Ford pickup truck on... Wow, and he just ran a red light. Awesome.
You gonna fucking do it too? Bunch of dumb motherfuckers. Come on, man, what the fuck?
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.